Hello, traders. Gary Wagner with the Gold Forecast. It's approximately 9 o'clock here in Honolulu, Hawaii. It is Tuesday, the 16th day of November, and this is the Daily Report. Gold is currently trading under significant pressure this morning, was down almost $30, trading off about $25 to $27, currently trading at 1336.66. We're going to talk about where we believe support could be found in this market and a couple of other factors leading to the sell-off, all on today's Daily Report. Traders, we are looking at a 60-minute candle chart. As you can see, it does appear as though it is attempting to rally, and it has found some tentative support right in here at the 1335 level. As you can see, what you have is a piercing line, and you're getting the confirmation, and this, of course, is on an hourly chart. Of course, this sell-off has been credited to South Korea, raising its interest rates 25 basis points to 2.5%. My feeling is that as a technical trader, we simply want to look for where this market might find support. Traders, we are looking at a 240-minute candlestick chart of the cash market of gold. I have put up Fibonacci retracement areas. I've put up two of them, drawn from 2 points. The first point here is 1314, and the second point here is 1275. These are two bottoms that I thought would line up right. The interesting thing is, what we want to see in terms of a closing basis is if we can get a close above this 1340 area right in here, I think that we will have tentatively found some support, and we will in fact have had a good retracement, and we will be going into our corrective phase B wave. I do believe that we're probably going to see an ABC cycle at this point in terms of our correction. So what might that look like? Well, quite honestly, I don't really like to project out that far, but let's assume, for example, that we do catch a bottom right in this area. Let's make that for an assumption. The next thing that you would want to do, of course, is the B wave is typically going to move up between 50 and 75% of this move down. So let's go ahead and plot that, traders. So under the basic assumption that a traditional B wave is going to be anywhere between 50 and 75% of the A, let's assume that this is the A here. And let's make a strong conclusion that this, in fact, does become support and become the bottom. And that's not determined yet, but let's assume that to be the case. If it's going to move back up 50%, that would put our B wave to about 1378, 1377 in that area. If in fact it would move up 75%, that would put you to 1402. So once we can ascertain that in fact we have found a bottom, the way that I would like to play this B wave is to implement a long position in this market, and in terms of my upside targets, because it's still in a corrective phase, I would only look for an upside target really of anywhere between, say, 1375 and 1402. Looking back on this last call that I made, which was to exit our trades even at a loss on Friday, I am absolutely certain, of course, at this point that we made the right move. Traders realize that whenever we have a market that has this kind of a vertical rise, I truly believed in my heart that at some point they would take this market down fairly drastically. We had a $40 move on Friday itself. Small trading day down yesterday, and then another $20, $30 down today. I think that they've probably washed out the longs to the point where we've shaken up the market enough that we'll actually get a good play to the upside in the next couple of days. Traders, I do want to let you know that we are on our final stages of completing our members portal. And besides being able to log in and view the videos, the way that I have set it up is that all of the subscribers have the rights to go ahead and put commentary or notes in any part of these sections. And The way that I envision it is that it's going to be set up really as a forum, so that as I put up videos, there can be an exchange of ideas going back and forth on the page where the video is kept, that will allow traders to kind of work with each other so that we can all become better traders. I look forward to implementing that. We will be implementing it this weekend. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
When I look